got a couple things off of Amazon just to make it look a little bit nicer. Jesus Christ. Sounds like I'm gonna zoom. This is my very dirty 99 Honda Civic. It is a 4-door sedan, and I grabbed a couple things off of Amazon just to make it look a little bit nicer in the front. I got the, it's like a SI knockoff grill. I think it was like maybe 15 bucks, if that, probably less. And I got this, this lip. There's a couple different designs on Amazon, but I chose to go with this one. It kind of sticks out on the outer edges versus there's one that has like slots or like vents in them. But I just like the way this one looked as opposed to the other one. And yeah, I'm just gonna kind of put it on and see what it looks like. See what's involved. There was absolutely no hardware included. I guess, you know, you kind of get what you pay for. It's just thin, cheap plastic. But so this is the LX model, okay? So it has the chrome ring around the grill, and I'm not really liking the way the chrome looks. So the idea is to get this stuff on here and eventually color match it to the car. I'll probably leave the mesh black, but have the outside color matched. Same thing with the lip. I'm gonna eventually color match that to the car. So for now, I'm just gonna kind of like basically just fit it up and see how everything lines up and see if it looks good. So let's see what's involved. I actually cut a hole here because at one point in time I actually had a side exit exhaust exiting the bumper here. First thing I'm going to see is if this lip covers this hole, because the plan is to actually go out of the hood to have a hood exit exhaust. So I'm just going to kind of fit this up and see if it covers that. If it does, that'd be pretty awesome. I think it's going to fit about right there, and it does actually cover up that hole nicely. I'm going to go ahead and turn the wheel all the way to the left so I can get to the inside of the bumper easier. Got my little bit driver. Get a little Phillips bit. Shoot some screws into this lip and secure it to the bumper. So I'm going to get a hole started right here in the corner. I'm going to work my way across the front of the car, holding pressure because I don't want that one screw to support the whole weight of the lip. I don't want to rip out the threads out of the plastic. So I'm going to go and shoot some screws in for the bottom up, get some more support, and then work my way to the driver's side. Now let's see how the driver's side looks and see if that lines up good enough to just shoot a screw into the bumper. Press it on there. This side I could put 2 screws on. The other side was only 1 because the hole's right there where the exhaust was. I was only able to get 1 screw. But on this side, I'll go ahead and do 2. Just why not? So there we go. Yeah, I really like the way it looks. I'm really glad it ended up covering this this hole I had cut out of the bumper. Wasn't even expecting it to do that, but it did, so happy about that. I'm gonna go ahead and put the grill on there now. The grill is black. It's underneath the car right now. So let's see what's involved in installing the grill. The entire bumper is only being held on by like the screws on the outer edges here and on the opposite side. It's missing all the clips right here. So let's see if I can just pull it off. I'm not sure how the grill is actually secured on there. Oh great, it actually has screws going in from the back side. I'm counting at least 4 screws on the back side, so I think I actually have to take off the bumper to remove the grill. Just like that, the bumper's off. Well, if I would have known the bumper had to come off to do the grill, I probably would have been better off doing the grill first and then the lip, because right now I just got the lip sitting on the ground, but whatever. Live and learn, I guess. Next, if I ever do this again, do the grill first and then do the lip while it's on the car. So the stock grill can actually screw in from the bottom. You know, it's got the 6 screws I was telling you about. With the Amazon grill, it does not have that at all. It just has the clips along the bottom and the spots on the top to be clipped into the core support. So it's not going to be as secure as the stock grill, but I mean, it's just for looks, and I think it was like 13 bucks again, so I can't really complain. I'm just going to mount it up the best I can right now. The grill is like barely on there, so it might just fall right off. But yeah, just like it did now. But it's not a big deal. Have to kind of play with it once the bumper's mounted on there again. So all I actually have with me is 2 clips, and I'm not even sure if they're the right size, but I'm going to try it out. I might just put one on the outer edges of it, just to hold it in for now. I'm going to have to get some more clips later on, because this is pretty much the only thing holding the grill in place. So got that guy. So put one over here on this side. Put one over here on this side too. Man, I really like the way it looks. That simple, man, what was that? Together, that might have been $45, and I think it made a really big difference. Well, I mean, yeah, it is cheap crap off Amazon, but I'm really happy with the way it turned out. About 45 bucks for the lip and the grill. No hardware was included. Got to supply your own screws, your own clips, but you know, again, $45, you can't really complain. You know, it's not a big deal to pick up some screws from the hardware store or whatever. Yeah, some simple little mods that made a big difference. So, okay, let me know in the comments if you think I should leave it black, the grill and the lip, or color match it. I myself am leaning towards color matching. But yeah, just I guess let's get a little, just let me know what you think I should do. And if you all like this episode, please like and subscribe. See you on the next video. Thanks for watching.